Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to my channel Informative Hub. I must mention this, friends. Thank you for all your love and support. And I welcome you all to the family of Informative Hub. Today, let me tell you few interesting things about a celebrity who was casted by famous director Mr. S.S. Rajamouli Garu. It's none other than Housefly the Eager. Without any further late, let's get started. The scientific name of housefly is Musca domestica. How to identify a gender of housefly?
చూడాల్సింది వాటి కళ్ళ మధ్య దూరం ఉంటే ఫీమేల్, కళ్ళు దగ్గరగా ఉంటే మేల్.
As Mr. Nagarjuna Garu said, the female can be distinguished from the male by the wide space between the eyes. In males, almost eyes touch. Let me now tell you some fun facts about houseflies. The first fun fact is houseflies live on a liquid diet. Yes, friends, you heard it correctly. Houseflies live on a liquid diet as they lack the mouth parts needed to chew food, so they drink it. The second fun fact is they can taste with their feet. As the taste receptors are located on their lower legs and feet, when a fly lands on a tasty meal, which can be anything from animal feces to your lunch, they will often have a wander around to give their next meal a good taste before consuming it. Let me tell you, the third fun fact is houseflies defecate a lot as they aren't too bothered about where they do it either. So friends, please be careful. As you know, houseflies like to live on liquid diet. Because of this, their digestive system can move quite quickly, which means they defecate quite a lot as well. It is speculated that houseflies defecate every time they land, even if it's on their next meal. The fourth fun fact is houseflies can walk upside down. Yes, the anatomy of a housefly enables it to walk and climb on most surfaces, no matter if it's horizontal, vertical, or even upside down. This is because each foot contains two fat foot pads which contain tiny hairs that produce a glue-like substance made of sugars and oils which provide them to excellent grip, perfect for scaling any surface. The fifth fun fact is flies are able to see behind them. Yeah, unlike you and I, houseflies have compound eyes. These eyes provide them with nearly a 360-degree field of view, which allows them to see behind themselves. Unlike ours, the eyes of a housefly don't move. Being able to see in all directions allow them to look out for danger. So, we must be careful, friends. The sixth fun fact is the lifespan of a housefly is not that long. On average, the life cycle of a housefly only lasts for around 30 days. Houseflies can lay up to 500 eggs in their lifetime, which are usually in batches of around 75 to 150. Now, the seventh fun fact is houseflies have amazing reaction times. Houseflies are able to process what they see and react accordingly at amazing speeds. To put things into perspective, our brains process around 60 images a second, whereas a fly can process around 250 images in a single second. See friends, the ability of the housefly, isn't it interesting? Yes, the houseflies have amazing reaction times. Now, the eighth fun fact is they have unhygienic breeding habits. Houseflies aren't really fans of rushing to a hospital to give birth. Their chosen method is rather disgusting as well. Houseflies will lay their eggs on items such as feces, rotten food, and decaying fruits. Why is this? Well, it's mainly to provide the larvae, maggots, with something to eat when they hatch. Last but not the least, the ninth fun fact is male houseflies are constantly looking for a date. Yes, friends, do you remember the fifth fun fact that they have the compound eyes? Well, it also plays a role in how houseflies find a partner. Studies show that there is a specific reason between the eyes of a male fly called the love spot. Yes, friends, the male fly have a love spot. It is pretty much used for detecting and chasing the female flies. They are also romantic, friends. This spot is located within the front dorsofrontal region of their eyes. Sex determination between flies. The sex determination between flies depends upon where they live. Yes, friends, they use different methods for sex determination. In the northern latitude, females have X chromosomes while males have an X and Y chromosomes. Here, the Y chromosomes carries a gene that determines maleness, whereas in southern latitudes, houseflies don't have a Y chromosome. So, the male determining gene lies on one of the other 5 chromosomes. Now let me tell you about how males attract to females. Yes, friends, the male housefly are sexually mature after 16 hours and females after 24 hours. Females produce a pheromone called Z9 trichosin. This cuticular hydrocarbon is not released into the air as in other cases. Here, the male sends it only on contact with females. Friends, these houseflies are also being used in wartime, it seems. So let me tell you that story. Yes, during the Second World War, the Japanese worked on entomological warfare techniques. Yes, the Japanese Yagi bomb consisted of 2 compartments, one with houseflies, another with a bacterial slurry that coated the houseflies prior to release. Vibrio cholera, which causes cholera, was the bacterium of the choice and was used in China and Shandong. The bombing produced epidemics that killed 60,000 people in the initial stages. See, friends, how innovative people of those eras were. They used these houseflies even in producing an epidemics which killed almost thousands of people. Now let me tell you how a housefly acts as a disease vector. They serve as mechanical vectors to over 100 pathogens causing typhoid, cholera, tuberculosis, bacillary dysentery. Other than being a vector for pathogens, they also help in maintaining the ecology, friends. When flies land on a series on a plant to feed on nectar, they spread the pollen between their flowers and help fertilize the next generation flowers as pollinators. They perform a valuable role in ecology. So, our main aim is live and let live. This is a brief overview about housefly, friends. They are eager. Thank you, friends. Please let me know your reviews in the comment section. And for more such interesting facts, please subscribe to our channel Informative Hub.